Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about uh, surface to convert 3D solid part thicken component. Thicken, how to convert thicken in surface uh, body. So today here discuss about this is the surface thicken. When I get first of all create here the surface command right now. When go to surface, this is the surface planar. When I get select surface planar, look at this, I have go to click the surface planar, then start from this one, and this is the simple surface. This is negligible thickness, they have not count it is thickness right now. When I will show you home page and use for thicken, this one is thicken command. When I get enter the thicken and press enter and click the edge, and how many thicken we will provide and give us, I will give you 500. So enter just right now. I enter this here, and first of all when I get create rectangle, this is rectangle surface here, this one is surface planar, right? We have get click this surface planar and make the here. When look at this, they are not the thickness here. And now let's go thickness we will provide here the solid home page, like this is thicken convert surface to 3D solid. So when I get click here, then enter the point and how much distance we will provide and give us, I get 500. Look at this, this is provide the thickness. Again I will show you, this one is not the thickness here. When I click the body and apply the here, apply in thicken and click the point and provide the 1000 thickness. Look at, so it means according to manage this whole sheet, basically that 1000 thickness according their width and height is properly matched. Same thing is that here again I will show you the diagram. We will reduce the thickness. So when I get first select now when I get thicken here, then enter thicken, then provide the particular point, right? How much thickness we will provide, 20 mm, like that it will be come from 20 mm thickness. So it is very easy to provide the thicken in whole body. So first of all create the surface like planar surface, get start any point here, then after I will go to home page and apply the thicken. This is thicken right now. When I get click thicken, enter the click the point and how much distance we will get, it is provide the thickness. So it's a very useful for thicken command in AutoCAD 3D modeling. So when first of all it's make for surface planar and use the rectangle here and get home page, and this is provide the thickness. When get click here and the point has been clicked and write particular thickness, I will get provide. So it's very easy to useful for AutoCAD thickness thicken command with the relate of surface command. So today has completed the session. Thank you for watching.